Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Smith. In today's video, I'll show you how to attach the 1440 degrees peplum that we made in our previous video. So if you have not watched it, I'll put the link at the description box. Make sure you watch how to achieve this beautiful peplum. This is a standing peplum with crinoline or horsehair. So guys, I'll show you how you can attach it to your dress to make it more beautiful. It's a beautiful peplum, or you can as well use it as a flounce. Anyway, whichever way you want. My waist measurement is 35 inches. So guys, I added extra inches because I needed it to be pleated, to be very beautiful and full. I have to pleat this to my waist measurement. So the first thing I will do is to notch the midpoint of the peplum. So this is the midpoint here. I already have a seam line there. Remember, to achieve this, you have 4 different 365 degrees to achieve 1440 degrees peplum. That is 360 times 4. So guys, we already have our seam line here as our midpoint. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pleat to my waist measurements. Watch me as I do that. This is how it looks. My waist measurement is 34 because it has a zipper and is a dress, it's not a blouse. So I'm not gonna cross it round the waistline. I will stop at the zipper side to cross it to other zipper side. So I pleated it round. If I measure it now, I'm not gonna get exactly 34 inches. I pleated it with 30 inches, removing 4 inches. I will now get my dress and fix it. This is the dress. Now I'll be placing it like so, and I'm attaching it at the waistline, just ½ inch above waistline. That's where I will place it. I'm not gonna place it directly at this zipper line. I will this is how it look. This is the front and this is the back. For the back, I made it a little closer to the zipper. Can see so that it will not be more obvious. So this is the back and this is the front. So I will go over to my sewing machine now and sew through the pin that I've made. After then, I'll show you the picture of the final look of this beautiful peplum. So guys, after making it, this is how the peplum looks. You can see how full it is. This is the front and this is the back. I folded it at the back because of the size of the mannequin. So guys, make sure you try it out. It's very simple and easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, drop your comments. You can